A lot of words to describe the mood today, but just know that I'm grateful for your life. You're all grateful for your life. We hope that you can continue celebrating more birthdays, and we will all continue to celebrate together with you.
On the spot lang talaga. So, I just want to say happy birthday. I don't really express it much, but to me, you're probably my favorite person in the world. I feel like you're the only person that I truly open up all my problems to. So I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you for being with me since I was born. You may have been without me, but I've always known you and I've known you for 15 years. So I want to say thank you for just everything. And I might be a bit annoying. I might be even hot-headed sometimes. But I'm sorry for those times naman. And yeah, I just want to say, since you're stepping into your adulthood, I hope that God will be with you through every step, and I hope you will not go far away from Him, and I just hope that only good will come in your life, and yeah, I hope that we'll stay close and grow closer in the future. Thank you.
Take a picture.
Be happy.
Happy 18th birthday, and may God guide your steps and be thankful for Him for always doing good for you. That's it.
Happy 18th birthday, Jessica. I know hindi tayo yung like super close nung senior high, pero I still wish you the best sa bagong chapter sa buhay mo. I hope magpatuloy ka mag-persevere sa mga hardships na kakaharapin mo in the future. And yun lang. I wish you the best.
Happy birthday, Jessica. Alam kong hindi tayo naging close since grade 5 up until grade 10 kahit na marami tayong grudges sa isa't isa. Pero I was thankful na na-invite ako sa birthday na to, and thankful din po kay Tita Meg na I was also looking forward to African food nga. Yun lang, happy birthday. God wish you.
Okay, take a picture! Gusto niyo ba sumayaw sila?
Happy birthday, Jessica! Thank you, Jessica, for inviting me. You're such a wonderful person. And just remember na everyone here loves you and thinks that you're an important person.
Jessica, and wish you the best. I hope you achieve your goals in the future.
Picture po, take a picture.
Okay, next.
So happy birthday, Jessica. Wishing you all the best, good health and happiness. Hope you have an amazing day and I hope you enjoy your celebration. Thank you for inviting us. Take care and God bless you.
Okay. Happy 18th birthday, Jessica. You're getting old na, so... Anyway, my wish for you on your special day is that I hope you keep on being yourself, because that's what makes you you. And throughout our friendship, I'm very thankful to have met you in this lifetime, and I hope in every lifetime that we have, you will always be the one that I will always call my best friend.
Thank you. Take a
Wishing you the happiest birthday as you celebrate this special milestones in your life. I hope your day is filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness you truly deserve. Thank you for everything you've done for me. I'm really grateful to have someone like you in my life, and you're special din.
Thank you.
Wait lang, nagalit na lang. Happy birthday, babe! Alam ko madaming nangyari sa atin for the past years. Madaming unexpected events and chaos na nangyari sa atin, sa buong friendship natin. Pero gusto ko lang malaman mo na chine-cherish ko yung lahat, and I really wish na maganda yung mga dadating sa'yo na blessings. Yun lang, I love you. Jessica, I wish you a life filled with love, happiness, and all success you dream of.
My baby.
Siguro din na college year, Sana makaya. Happy birthday, Ate.
Okay, thank you. Take a picture.
We achieve every goal.
Take a picture.
To the girl who always owns your room with her confidence, I hope that you never lose your spark, no matter how hard adulthood gets. Happy to
Thank you for being our friend since grade 7. I hope our friendship lasts a lifetime. I just want to wish you good health, happiness, and all the success you deserve. Keep being the amazing person you are, and never forget that no matter what happens, you'll always have us, and we'll always have your back. Stay beautiful. Happy birthday.
Celebrate you, your achievements, and your journey. You are one of the most passionate, thoughtful, and gorgeous people I know. Don't ever let anybody dim your light and stay true to yourself. I love you, Jessica. Happy birthday.